Zimbabwe's next president should be General Constantine Dominic Chiwenga. There it is written, and I will defend every word. General Constantine Chiwenga, not because he's perfect, but because in 20 years of Zimbabwe's most turbulent political and economic history, nobody has produced a corruption dossier on him. In this environment, that is a qualification. Sarapena mashoko onekwa kunzi retired general oyachindosa VP Constantine Chiwenga vachiti is the best fit aiwa kuti alide nyika yeZimbabwe kuKenani, atungamirire nyika yeZimbabwe. Ndokuti subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tiendera mberi kumana nokudanyira chiti General Chiwenga does not need to construct a liberation narrative. He lived one. From the liberation struggle through the professional development of the Zimbabwe National Army, through his tenure as commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, to the night of November 14, 2017, when he stood before cameras and did what no general in African history did done quite so precisely. General Chiwenga has demonstrated an understanding of both power and restraint that is extraordinarily rare. Operation Restore Legacy was not a tantrum. It was not a coup of personal ambition. It was a calculated, constitutionally conscious intervention designed to preserve the integrity of ZANU-PF and the Zimbabwean state from a faction that had captured both. History will be generous to that night, and the man who ordered it deserves the full recognition of what he risked. Doma developments are kuda panguva ino vanachisapota VP Constantine Chiwenga vachiti aiwa generally vakasacrifice a lot kuti nyika yeZimbabwe ikwanise kubuda mumahands of the First Republic, and panguva ino people from history vanonyatsoona kuti he is the man who is best fit kuti again nyika pairi tangled nezvigananda, Chiwenga is the only one who can rescue the country again. Pena comment section medu dzakungura iyi muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musawana subscribe or like, punch on the bell icon.